Hi everyone, welcome to our channel Organized by Darci, where we take the very simple and inexpensive and make it really look elegant. Come with me today as I reorganize my cocoa bar here on my kitchen counter. This is what my cocoa bar looks like right now, and I just got back from the store and I purchased a couple more items that I'd like to add to my cocoa bar and kind of do a little redo on this area here. So let me show you first of all some of the things that I purchased. Of course, I got the marshmallows here, which I already have some here, but those are just some extra ones I got. And I got some chocolate chunks here, some hot cocoa here, and just to show you real quickly, I just got these little containers here from the 99-cent store. But I had purchased, I think 6 before and washed them out already. So I'm going to be adding some of these things that I have here right now in these clean containers. These are clean. These I just purchased, so I'll just have to use those at different time. But these are all set and ready to go. So let's get started with organizing this cocoa bar here in my kitchen on the counter. I took the tops off the jars so it would be a little bit faster to pour these in. So I've already done 2, as you can see here. And then I have these 2 more to do. Just pouring from one jar to the other, and it has the spoon already, so that makes it really nice and easy. And the very last one, this is silver sugar pearls, so this is really pretty. So I have 4 of these jars. I have 2 more, but those are not washed yet. I could perhaps use that for something else. But these are the 4 jars. How beautiful they are. The sprinkles to add to the bar. And of course, I have chocolate chunks. To add in this jar. And by the way, I did purchased these jars. I got 3, and when I went back they were all sold out, but they had different covers, and I just used the regular mason jar covers, and so I have the white as opposed to the color that it came with. So here we are with sprinkles in different really pretty containers with a spoon as well that allows you to pull up and use the spoon to get the sprinkles out. This is really nice. I really like these. So I'm going to continue, and as I continue to add, I'll keep you up. I found this crate in the garage that I'm going to try and use to put some of the items in to keep the clutter off the counter, because it seems like I have too many things here right now. So let me try this first. It's huge. It will hold most of the things, I think, on top and inside. So let me try and figure this out, and then I'll come back and show you what I have. This is the final product. As you can see, everything is well organized here in this little crate. I thought this was a good idea as opposed to putting it in trays. So I've set it up for my grandkids when they stop by from school today. They will be able to have a nice little treat with some hot cocoa and some cookies. And of course, they will really enjoy this, I'm sure. Again, thank you so much for watching. Thank you for taking the time, of course, to stop by. And I hope you subscribe to my channel. And if you haven't done so, please just press that subscribe button below and you become a part of our family here. I'll do some hot chocolate for you as well. Take care, God bless, and I'll see you next time in our next video, of course.